Yay! You're watching Adventures with Aubree. Yay! Welcome back, everybody.
Tell them what we're doing today.
We're doing a koala crate today. It's a rainforest. Would you like to watch me do it? It's gonna be so much fun. I can't wait to do it. Okay, you're just watch me. I'm gonna be a brave, brave girl. Ooh, here's the menus. Oh, we need these two things the same as my dragon. Look, guys, we have the same things as our dragon. They might not know our dragon.
They don't, but it's okay.
Oh, what are these for, Daddy? These are the yellow. What are these? I'm just gonna call them scissors for now, okay?
They're not scissors.
They are tweezers, or they're like pickers to pick up bugs.
Sure.
I'm just gonna say that, okay? These are like pickers to pick up bugs. Put them right here. What else? Ooh, I think this is to make the butterfly. Okay. So this is to make the butterfly, of course. You need this to make the butterfly. What are these, Daddy? Oh, these might be for the butterflies too. This is for the butterfly too, of course. Need those for the butterflies. Ooh, what is this for? Oh, this is for our flower. We do need a flower for it. So this is for our flower. I don't know what these are for, Daddy. Can I just put them down without telling my viewers? Look, viewers, I don't know what these are. I'm just going to call them potatoes, okay? They look like tiny potatoes. So these are the potatoes. I don't know what they are for, so I'm just going to call them potato viewers, okay? Potato viewers. Do I need this? I think so. So this was in the box.
Okay.
So we definitely need this. This is a board for something. This might be for a flower. No. I might need to put this back in for a sec, okay? This is for a flower. And this might have to go around this. Maybe. This might be a paper board just for my flower. And this is the circle. Maybe to wrap this around the circle. So I'm putting them there at the same time. We have a couple more. These are the stickers for the flowers, I think. These are our stickers. Well, they actually broke up, so I just call them stickers. Okay, viewers? This is stickers for them. These are the stickers for the flower. These definitely for the flower. I'm going to have to put them back on the edge so I look at them. Yours. Marla is my baby sister. These are the things that have to go on top. And then there's this left. This is the petals for our flower. Okay. This looks like pretty difficult. Well, that's okay. Okay. Oh no, I accidentally was turned this over to me and then I got this like here.
So, butterflies, their wings match on both sides. So whatever you do on one side, try to do on the other side.
Okay. Same thing. That's the same, right? Like this. This is definitely almost close. So viewers, I'm trying to make this and it's okay if I'm not looking at you. Is it okay? Oh, they said it's okay if I'm not looking at them. Sideways again, this way looking. Does this kind of look like an arrow? This is definitely kind of like a bandage, fixing its wing. I fixed its bandage. Whew. Look, guys, doesn't this look nice? They put this one on very hard. Whew. That's some exercise. When this caterpillar is open, it's going to turn into a butterfly. I fixed his back up, Daddy, look.
Okay.
What should I put on next? So this is the caterpillar. Is this how you do it? Guys, close your eyes just for a sec. When I'm done, I'm gonna be... Wait, open your eyes, okay? Can I put it on my hands? Does it really fit me? Look, guys, it's a butterfly.
Do you like it?
Yeah, Daddy, can we do the next one? Okay, next we're doing my flower. Everybody. Okay, we're all setting up for our next thing that we need to do. It's a rain stick that's musical for a rain trip and a rainforest. Pretend our home is the rainforest. What can we do first? Is it okay if it's like this? Daddy, does this look great? Can we even shake it too? This is our last one. But viewers, which hole can I put it in? Can I put on first? Okay, the leaves are going first because leaves go on plants. Ooh, these little ones are gonna look so cute on them. I can't wait to see this. Daddy, look. I put it in a butterfly on. Yes, we have a butterfly. We don't have a froggy. Well, that's okay. Just putting on the froggy. Is this a fire pillar? Daddy, is this a fire caterpillar? Does this caterpillar put fire? Because it's red and it looks fiery. Here's our last one, flower. Daddy, ta-da, do you like it? It's all done. Let's start the next one. Daddy, down, it looks like a snowflake. It really looks like a snowflake when it's not bended. Snowflake, come to me. We're gonna get ready on a fountain tree again. So we're gonna make a tree with this. We're gonna make a tree with it. So this has to go right here. Daddy, soon one day this caterpillar is gonna turn into a butterfly. Okay, the next part I might need help with to put this onto here. Potato, potato, tomato. Because I'm big, I'm strong, and I'm getting strong. Because last time I ate my carrots. I can't wait how this looks all together. There's one more sticker, Daddy. Daddy, I'm finished. Does it look cute? Does this look cute, viewers? Yes, Aubree. I was just pretending it was the viewers while it was with me. Okay, this game is pretty tricky. I'm gonna get this done right now, and I think this is gonna take forever for us. And we're back. That kind of took forever. We're gonna show you how to play the game. Oh, I think I ruined this game, right? Is it okay if it goes in the middle? We're trying to balance the pom-poms on the branches. We're trying to get the big ones with the tweezers. Now I'm trying to balance it in the branches. Oh man, why do I keep on losing? This is all what the koala crate is, and bye. I'm gonna miss you, and this was so much fun. Thanks for coming again, guys, and thanks for coming so quickly. Bye. See you later. Bye bye. Wasn't this fun video, guys? Yes, Aubree. Really, yes. Good. And I want to show you how we get into a caterpillar. How do you get into a caterpillar?